So we're here, right? I'm holding him down, keeping my partner low, mostly so he can't punch me, but also so he can't posture and try to pass my guard, right? But as I do this, he starts to push against my neck, right? So look, I use my hips to straighten. I'm almost imagine you're kicking someone away with your body, right? So you're pushing him away, pushing the elbow through, coming right back down, connecting the hands palm to palm. You guys see the grip? We call this a meatball grip, like you're making meatballs. Meatball grip, okay? Now from here, I use my inner thighs. I'm not stepping on the ground for this one. I'm using my inner thighs to move myself out to the side, and then I'm recrossing my feet. And now I'm going to hold the shoulder, or the armpit I should say, okay? I need to get to my elbow here, so one thing that helps, little detail, is I stretch my body back. See that? And now I'm using my top leg here to hang, bottom leg comes through, hooks are in, walk myself back, over and under, head tight. Any questions? That's good? All right, walk me through it one time. So we're here, I'm pulling his head down, he frames my neck, what do I do?
Lift him with the hips.
Lift with the hips, why? Yeah, take the pressure off the neck, right? Now what?
Push the arm through.
Push his arm through, connect my hands, now what?
Shrimp.
Yeah, a little shrimp off of him, right? So I use my thigh, shrimp out. In this case, Arjun's kind of lighter than me, right? So I'm almost moving him out of the way. If Arjun was like 300 pounds, I would do this and my butt would fly away. So either way, I'm using my thigh and getting myself out to the side. See that? And now what?
Grab the armpit.
Armpit. Armpit grip is everything. That's what allows you to get to the back. Now what? How's the armpit?
You shrimp again.
Not a shrimp, but a stretch.
Yeah.
A stretch. Boom. So that I can what?
Then you can put that arm.
Elbow on the mat. Right? And last step. Hang with the top foot, climb up, hooks go in, seatbelt grip, head tight, and then crazy works from there.